February 1st, 2023. It's about 9 o'clock and the electrical contractor just left. What a beautiful job that they did with all the lights, and they have all the receptacles evenly distributed all the way down, as you can see. Got a breaker box here that had been installed before, but you've got your 50 amp. He'll be coming in tomorrow to put the 50 amp breakers in. There's a 3-way switch, another receptacle, and more amperage for a 50 amp for another TIG welder. So you can have 2 TIG welders on both sides. And then all the way down, evenly, all the way down. Really came out nice. This guy did a really good job. Excellent. Really came out beautiful. I'm very pleased with his quality of his work. So he's coming back tomorrow, and he'll be able to pop those 50 amp breakers in. That light really looks good, that sensor light. And I thought about up here, but you know, he's got the center beam on the other side, and it would just kind of throw it off, being off to the side. It wouldn't be centered. So it made more sense having it above the door. But anyways, this is going to make a great Blue Baron shop factory where we'll have 2 TIG welder stations on the back. We'll have benches. This will be a showroom here where we'll have all the frames lined up, ready to be powder coated and sent down to the factory. So this is factory number 2, and factory number 1 will be the same Holiday location that's always been there to do the full build and the finalization of the fabrication of these fine Blue Baron truck mounts. So that's what we have. And nice looking building. Okay, till next time, we'll have some more video footage when we start filling this up with equipment and benches and fabrication drills and drill presses and hydraulics for our hoses, TIG welding equipment. It'll look really nice in here. Can't wait. And we're really doing all that we can to really pick up the pace. There's been a lot of business this year, and we're really pushing to get a lot of stuff fabricated quickly and efficiently.